Pleasant Goat Fun Class! Sports are fun! Flying on skis! Huh? Wow! What a big skiing place this is! Is everybody ready to ski? Yes, we're ready! Oh no, Tibby! What you're wearing now are ice skates. You need to put on ski boots and skis to go skiing.
Thank you.
Huh? You see? I told you so! This is how you're supposed to wear your gear! Ha! Oh no, my bread! You're wrong too. You need to use ski poles for skiing. Huh?
I know I'm the only one who's doing things right.
Oh no, Sparky, you've got the wrong gear too. We didn't come here to surf. We came here so we could ski. Everybody's got it right this time.
What are we still waiting for?
Yay!
That's so cool!
The snowman that Weslie made looks so cool!
No shouting in public places!
Aren't you shouting too, Wolfie?
I only did that to remind you all that shouting on snowy mountains is very dangerous. It could cause an avalanche!
But...
Whenever you go skiing in snowy mountains, you must never scream or shout or make any loud noises, because these noises may cause a terrible avalanche.
Whoa!
Don't be scared, I got you.
Let's go!
Oh, check out my skiing skills. My ski poles! I can do just fine without them. Look at me! I'm ski jumping!
Oh, we're flying!
I still have one more trick. Huh! Snowboarding time! Next time when you're playing in the snow, remember, don't inconvenience the people around you.
We'll remember! Hey! Here's a ski gear essential. Can anyone tell me what this is that I'm holding?
Oh, is this skin lotion? Oh!
You're wrong. This is hair wax.
It's skin lotion.
It's hair wax.
Skin lotion.
Hair wax.
No, that's actually ski wax. You use it to wax your skis.
Huh? What?
Remember, you must put the wax on before you go. Using wax keeps snow from sticking to skis and snowboards and helps them glide better.
Remember to read the instructions properly before applying the wax. We'll see all of you again next time.